Have you ever paused to feel your breath? Your breath is not just as air, but it is energy. Your breath is your vibrational signature. It carries the rhythm of your soul. It echoes your emotions. It also reflects the frequency of your deepest intentions. Each inhale is a quiet invitation, drawing in possibility, clarity, and life. Each exhale is a gentle release, letting go of resistance, tension, and what no longer serves you. But when your breath is shallow or disconnected, your energy becomes scattered. You feel it in the fatigue, the stress, the sense of being out of sync with yourself. Now, imagine this. You breathe in with awareness. You breathe out with purpose. Suddenly, your breath becomes a tuning fork. It harmonizes your body, your mind, and your spirit. This is where magic begins. This is where you come back to yourself. So, how these day master elements perform in the year of the fire horse that is bold, radiant, and unstoppable. But fire, when left unchecked, can burn us out. To ride this energy with grace, let's turn to the 5 elements which are your ancient allies that help us breathe with balance, not burn out. First, check out this video in the description for the preferred breathwork technique for the various elements. Wood is the breath of vision. It fuels fire for giving it direction, not chaos. When you feel stuck or scattered, breathe like a tree. Inhale possibility. Exhale frustration. Let your breath stretch you toward your next becoming. The fire horse blends the dynamic independence of the horse with the intensity and creativity of the fire element. This pairing only occurs once every 60 years, making it one of the most potent and unpredictable energies in the Chinese zodiac cycle. Fire amplifies the horse's natural drive, making this year ideal for courageous leaps, creative ventures, and visionary leadership. The horse thrives on motion and exploration, so expect fast-paced shifts, travel, and a desire to break free from limitations. This energy can be impulsive or volatile if not grounded. It rewards those who act with clarity and purpose, not recklessness. Wood is the breath of vision. It fuels fire, giving it direction, not chaos. When you feel stuck or scattered, breathe like a tree. Inhale possibility. Exhale frustration. Let your breath stretch you toward your next becoming. Fire is the breath of expression. It is the wild horse within which is passionate, creative, alive. But too much fire? It overwhelms. So breathe into your heart. Let joy rise. Let your breath dance. This is your spark, honor it. Earth is the breath of stability. It catches fire's ashes and turns them into wisdom. When life moves fast, Earth says, slow down. Breathe deep into your belly. Feel the ground beneath you. You are held. Metal is the breath of refinement. It shapes fire's passion into purpose. When your energy feels messy or loud, breathe with precision. Inhale truth. Exhale noise. Let your breath cut through the clutter. Water is the breath of depth. It cools fire's intensity and awakens your intuition. When fear rises or rest calls, breathe like the tide. Inhale from your roots. Exhale into stillness. This is where courage is born. Everyone's breath is individual. So check out the video in the description below for the preferred breathwork technique for the 5 elements. We layer breathwork with your day master element and Gua Number because your energy is not one size fits all. Your day master, drawn from your Batsi chart, reveals your core elemental nature, while your Gua Number, rooted in Feng Shui, points to your personal wellness direction. You can use the compass sector, where your energy can be harnessed naturally, that helps you regenerate and heal. When we combine these 2 ancient systems with targeted breathwork, we create a powerful energetic map that's unique to you. It is more than breathwork. It is precision energy alignment, guided by your birth blueprint and amplified through conscious breath in your Gua well-being sector. We activate your wellness sector through posture, orientation, and intention. Ready to ride the fire horse with clarity and power? Start your elemental breath ritual today and breathe your vision into reality. Join our beta circle by clicking on the URL in the description below and explore elemental breathwork, rituals, and cosmic alignment, live and online. Download copy of the Breathwork journal template to anchor your desires, goals, or affirmations.